Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this 15 cubic foot rooftop cargo storage bag from Rynapac. We'll do a quick unboxing to show you what's all included. I'll get it installed on top of this F-150, and then we'll go over the features that this storage bag has to offer, so stick around. All right, let's get this opened up. I'll show you what comes inside. Got a set of instruction manual here. Gonna have your straps for securing your rooftop cargo bag to the top. It also comes with these nice clips. If you do not have a roof rack, such as myself, it comes with these door clips, and you can secure it without a roof rack, which is really handy. That's how we'll be installing ours today. You're going to receive a nice storage bag as well. And of course, we have our Rynapac Cargo Storage Bag. I'll get this installed real quick and we'll be right back. All right guys, we got this storage bag secured to the top of this F-150. As you can see, there is no luggage rack on here. What's nice about this cargo storage bag is the fact that you can install it with or without a roof rack, which makes it really versatile for any vehicle. It's a nice size. It holds 15 cubic foot, and it's really a pliable material and only took a few minutes to install. Let's take a look at it. The storage bag measures 43 inches by 34 inches by 17 inches high. This cargo bag can hold 15 cubic feet, but be sure not to go over the weight limit of your particular roof. A really great feature with this bag is it's 100% waterproof. As you can see, the water just runs right off of it. It's got a nice lid over the top of the zipper with a Velcro reinforcement to keep the water from getting on your zipper, to help protect it from any leaks as well. The material is made from a 500D high density PVC. On all sides of this bag, you're going to find reinforced handles, which are also used for your tie-down straps. They're located on all four sides of the bag, as well as right on top of the bag, depending on how your load is situated and how you're going to need to strap it down. Speaking of tying down your cargo bag, this one comes with 6 straps, which use the carabiners quick connect. Just simply squeeze them open and slide it through the groove. And for those of you who do not have a roof rack, such as this vehicle here, they include 6 door straps, which simply go up underneath your sill. You put on your weather stripping here, and you slide that strap, that clip up underneath, and then it goes through the loop here and will connect to the support straps at the top of the cargo bag. What makes this bag a lot nicer is the fact that the zipper uses a reinforced mesh over the top to keep it from getting any moisture inside. The zipper operates really smooth. When you have it closed up, it has a nice little rain flap that comes over the top to protect it as well, and then Velcro to secure it into place. Just pull it all the way down, and now you have a full 100% waterproof cargo bag, so when you get to your destination, all the gear that you packed inside, you know, will stay dry. This rooftop cargo bag from Rynapac has a super flexible, high density, almost rubber feel material. It's lightweight, only takes a few minutes to set on top and get it installed and loaded. Comes with a nice handy storage bag and is the perfect size for almost any occasion. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.